got no ceiling. Better than from Lucas and we in bed slide. Made a ride on 79, I'm feeling that South Shore Drive. I would make it downtown, Brooklyn to our job. What you need? 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 What you need?
Let me see your snail. Let me see your snail. Ooh, that is gross. You chicks are nasty. What are you gonna be, bug hunters? Huh? Ooh, you too, Kyra?
Yeah.
Is that something that like 4-year-old, 5-year-old kids like to do? That is gross. That's nasty. You guys like that? What do you do with them? Kill them?
No, we're gonna take them we're gonna sell them.
Oh, how much you gonna sell them for? I might want one.
$40.
Oh, $40? Huh?
So you can have a bunch of money.
Oh, okay. Thank you for trying to save me money. So what can I do with this snail? What can I do with it?
Take it home.
And do what with it? Like, do you cook it? Oh, how you take care of it?
Uh-huh.
How? Wait.